Adina Petria, you have reached the final for the first time and you lost narrowly. How disappointed is it to lose this final?
It's not so disappointing because we know Steypafinala, they are very, very well, very good. They play very well, and we played our chance, and I think we fight. And this is good for all the players because for all of you, it's our first finale in Steypafinala, and they are younger. They will learn from this game, and we are happy anyway. It's not a big lose. So.
Personally, you had a very good game. You were mainly the main threat against the Stjärnan defense. How pleased are you with your own performance?
I think I can more, but I am happy, and maybe next year will be much better.
They took Alina Olarva out of the game.
Yeah, because I think she can make our player, and that's why I think they took our outside Alina. Yeah, and it was a little difficult for us, but we fight, and this is important.
You are a new team, newcomers to the elite handball in the women's division here in the Faroes. How far do you think you could go in the coming years?
If we have the same, at least the same player, we will have a good results. If not, because we need players to have a good results here, because it's not so easy. It's because Stjärnan, they are good, VB also, they have a few teams, Nystein also, yeah.
And you will be a part of the Tjaldur team for the coming year?
Next year I know sure, but after I don't know, I will see.
Thank you very much.
Okay, tack för det.